today I'll show you the step-by-step way to download Tony. First, let's go to Chrome. Then search tony.org. And choose the Tony 4.1.7 and start to download it. Here you can see it. So once it's done, tapos pindutin lang natin siya, then pindutin natin yung run, then mag-show ito, pindutin lang natin yung next, then next, then next, and start na natin siyang install. Medyo matagal siya, so let's wait for it. Once it's done, click the finish, then let's try to code. Try nating print. Pindutin lang natin yung run here. Pwede ding pindutin yung F5. Makikita natin yung output dito sa baba. So also try to print my name. Natin siyang around. So, nandito siya. It's easy. So, let's try to save it. Save as. And we can just Control S. Try to name it. Save. So that's it. Thank you for watching.